Hi everybody and welcome back. Today I'm going to teach you how to draw Charlie Brown and Snoopy. So grab some paper and something to draw with and let's get started. Okay, we're going to draw two characters today, so leave some space on this side and on this side for Snoopy. Let's start over here with Charlie Brown. First, we're going to draw a round shape. Right there and stop so we can add an ear. Perfect. Then back over from here all the way around again. We're going to close that shape off. We'll add one more ear on this side too. Okay, Charlie Brown has this squiggly hair right up top, a big nose here in the center, and then two little eyes, like that. Let's give him a mouth, a big smile. A neck with his little collar. And then on this side too. Now his body. It curves and gets really wide at the bottom, like that. Perfect. And then we're gonna draw a straight line across. Let's move back up into his arms. He has a sleeve right there. One over here. And then his hands go behind his back. Next, we're gonna go down here to his shorts. Stop right there. And go all the way across. And then down to his legs. Draw a straight line. Another right there. A line for his sock. And then a rounded shape with a straight line for his shoe. Lines for his laces, and then we're gonna do the same thing on this side. His leg, his sock, and then his shoe. Perfect. Now to finish Charlie Brown, we have to do the zigzag on his shirt. And back the same way this way. And then fill it in. And there we have Charlie Brown. Yeah. You did really good following along with me. How about we start drawing Snoopy now? So we'll come over here and we're gonna draw this round shape to a big snout that curves around to a smile right there. We'll add his nose in the center, his ear. Oh, goes down a little further right here. And then we're gonna fill that in. Next, we're gonna add Snoopy's eyes with little eyebrows. His neck comes down into his round belly. We'll stop right there and back on the other side. Stop right there. Now we're gonna draw his foot. It comes down and around, and then a straight line across, back to the heel, and then up. And then a line there for the back foot, around, straight across. A couple lines for his toes. A tail. And then his little arm, some fingers. And then we'll finish with his collar right here on his neck and fill that in. Perfect. And there's Snoopy. Yeah. You did a really good job following along today. I hope you'll come back really soon so we can draw more characters. Bye. If you haven't yet, please support me by subscribing to my channel. Also, visit YayBubbaDraws.com and sign up for my newsletter. There, you will be able to download free coloring books, hear about awesome art challenges, and win prizes. See you next time. Bye!